We're reviewing the Okpro 2-pack street light. You can set it up, have it work as a PIR sensor or a dusk to dawn light. We're going to show you what the product is about. We're unboxing the Okpro 6500 Kelvin 5730 light with 50,000 hours lifetime. Show you what you get inside the box. Everything nicely packaged, 2 AAA batteries not included, hardware anchors and screws, an instruction guide, hanging brackets. Placing in 2 AAA batteries, the remote control and its functions, easy installation that takes under a couple of minutes to install, placing in the set screw and locking down with an optional Phillips screwdriver. The 320-degree LED lights with its own solar array panel, collecting the sun all day and charging the 18650 batteries. Testing the unit is pressing on the button and grabbing the remote controls and turning on and off your light. When ready to hook up into the sun, make sure the unit is in the off position, fully charged in a day of sun. Showing you nice and close up on the wall with the screw, bracket, and base of the unit, placing on and locking down. All you need to do is allow again for the sun to charge and then turn the unit on and then shut the unit off so it could come on dusk to dawn. The unit can be manually turned on, as you can see. We have sensor number 1 when we press and allow the unit to use its PIR sensor to set up and allow it to run. 100% off, 100% on, and so forth. Check online for further details about how the unit operates. We'll go over the unit's operation in the low light time. And what we're going to be doing is showing you where we're going to install one outside on the pole and one in the backyard. For security reasons, walking your dog, having something lit up in the patio, playing ball, whatever you use your lights for. Hanging your light from 8 to 15 feet will give a nice throw and light up the area. Put it on the wall. Put it on a garage area, a shed, wherever you need to have light. Turn on and allow it to charge. Allow the unit to charge as it's ready to go. Manual on and off as it goes on and sets up for the evening hours. We have a number of modes. We'll come back and show you what the light looks like lit up. It's the evening hours. As you can see on the front, the light is lit up. And in the backyard, we have the light on the pole, 8 to 15 feet in the air to cover the area of 220-degree angle. The light takes 4 to 6 hours to fully charge and 6 to 8 hours of runtime with 3 modes, one with the sensor and one being on at 100% for 4 hours and then dimmed down. We have 100% down to 30%. So what we're going to do is turn it on to mode number 1. It'll give a blink and stay on to 100% for 4 hours. We'll bring it to mode number 2 and step away to see how long it takes for the light to dim down. We'll turn it on the sensor, so this way it'll turn on and activate and dim down or shut off 100%. The Okpro street light, mini street lights, can be put anywhere imaginable. It has a sensor that will go on and off as well as dusk to dawn, on and off. I hope these are the street lights that you are looking for in your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.